Hi everyone, it's Denbighshire Wildflower Week and we're here in one of our meadows in Trell. Our meadows are home to lots of different species, including some very small solitary mining bees. If you look closely here, you'll see a little hole in the ground with a pile of earth around it like a volcano. Female mining bees will dig a small hole like this with a pile of soil around the entrance, which makes them really easy to spot. These tunnels are their nests, and they'll dig multiple chambers where they lay their eggs and collect pollen for them to feed on when they hatch. Beneath the surface, the eggs will hatch into grubs, then eat the pollen and nectar that the female has left for them, and develop into adult bees to emerge next spring. Here we have a tawny mining bee with their rusty red coat, which flies from March till June. This species is often targeted by the parasitic large bee fly. This is a bumblebee mimic that flicks its eggs into open nest cavities. And here is an ashy mining bee on one of our meadows in Ruthin. This small black and grey bee flies from April to August, and if you look closely you can see the little grey moustache on its face. This species has a habit of closing the entrance of their nest when they are finished foraging for the day, or when it rains or they're disturbed, which makes them less susceptible to parasites. If you have these in your garden, they're very unlikely to sting you, and their tunnels actually help with aeration and drainage in lawns. To find out more about the amazing species that depends on our meadows, come along to one of our guided wildflower walks.